do you like your bouncy chair? Yeah. You like bouncing up and down in it? And spinning round and round? Is that fun? Is that fun? Are you having a good time?